Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. It is the first one of the year. Obviously it's January, so if you like Boxycharm unboxings, it will also be a try on, but if you like it, then give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click subscribe down below. I'm going to try and upload Mondays and Fridays, and yeah, Mondays and Fridays. That's kind of how I'm trying to do my upload schedule. So today's Friday. Hi, happy Friday, have a great weekend, and let's get on with this Boxycharm unboxing. So like I said, this is going to be a try on, so I already know what I got in my box. And the first thing that I already tried on previously, and I will insert, is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And when I seen this, I thought it was so cool. I've never tried Tatcha, and I've always heard good things about Tatcha. They're very known for their like dewy skin mist and like just dewy, glowy skin, and that terrifies me because I have very oily skin, especially when it comes to summer, but at the same time my skin is dry. My skin is very weird. It's dry because of the skincare that I use for acne, but it's also like my actual skin type is oily. So this does say for normal to dry skin, so obviously that is not me. And you're supposed to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and I left it on for 10 minutes. I started watching Gilmore Girls, and I was like, fun fact, I've never seen that show. It just randomly was on the TV and I started watching it and I got hooked, and I was like, okay, no, I need to take this mask off. But anyway, so these retail for $24, and it is a 2-pack, and it's supposed to nourish the skin with vitamin E, rice germ oil, never heard of that, and it has essential fatty acids. And yeah, they're basically just supposed to make the skin nice and dewy and luminous. And these, as you can tell, are very, very wet, like very wet. So if you don't like wet face mask, you will not like these ones. But I will say my foundation and concealer are sitting on my skin so nicely, and I think it's because it really put like moisture into my skin, because again, my skin is dry from the skincare that I used. And yeah, so it worked really well. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it was super, super wet, but it was nice, and I like that it's from Tatcha, and I'm finally glad I got to try a Tatcha product. So I will be using this one as well when my skin is feeling really, really dry again. The next product that I received is an eyebrow product. It is by Billion Dollar Brows. It is a universal brow pencil. This really reminds me of the Anastasia Brow Wiz, just like the packaging. And this retails for $18, which is, you know, average, I guess, for a higher end brand. I've never heard of this brand, and Universal typically fits my eyebrows because, as you can tell, my eyebrows are like a cool toned, like soft medium brown. So the spoolie looks pretty nice. It's just like a standard spoolie, and then oh, it's like a crown, so it just scrolls up. I kind of like that. And the color, ooh, the color is a little red. So it's like a warm tone. I just said my eyebrows were cool tone, but it is like a warm toned brown. So it will look decent in my eyebrows. It'll just have a little bit of a reddish tint, which isn't terrible. It's not my favorite, but it's not terrible. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out, and then I'll give you my thoughts and opinions at the end. Okay, so this is one eyebrow done, and this one has not been done. You can tell a huge difference. I like the spoolie, and I like that it's a scroll up. This is very, very creamy. It's very easy to work with, and it doesn't take that long to do your eyebrows. And I like brow pencils like this, so I think it's pretty good. I personally wouldn't pay $18 for it, but I don't think it's a bad product. I really need to trim my eyebrows. But I love how creamy this product goes on. So all in all, I like it. I think it's really nice. Alright, the next product is the only product that I am not trying out because I already have one, or I have one just like it. They make a few different ones. This is the Briogeo Roscoe Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and I love these things. I believe these are travel sizes. They're 2 fluid ounces, and this retails for $12. It's supposed to restore hair softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. And like I said, I really like these. I used the one I had last night, and once that one's finished up, I will move on to this one. I really like them. They're really nice. Next product I was so excited for. I got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, and I think these are like the highlighting. It says something about highlighting. The limited edition highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3, because I do have the regular volume 3 and these are not the same. I would show you, but I actually sold mine on Poshmark because it was the least one that I used. But when I seen this one, first of all, the packaging is adorable. It's like mermaid win. And this is the inside of this one. It is very me, like very neutral, very like light, airy, shimmery. I love it. I think it's an all shimmer palette, yeah. So I love that it's all shimmers. I know a lot of people don't like all shimmer palettes, but I'm a shimmer girl. Like, I love my shimmer eyeshadows. So I wear shimmer practically every day, and these are definitely colors that are everyday colors for me. So I'm so happy that I received this one. And there are 3 different ones that you could have received, and I'm very happy with the one that I received. Since there are no like matte shades, I have to pull from another palette, but I'm just going to do a very simple look with this eyeshadow palette. But that retails for $36. And then the next product that I got is by Ofra, and this retails for $20, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Miami Fever. Isn't that Kathleen Light's shade? I feel like that was one of the ones Kathleen Light's created, because she is from Miami. It's not, honestly, it's not a color that I would wear. It smells really good. And they do have more of like a moussey formula. So it's pretty, but it's definitely not a color that I'm going to wear. But I will put it on for this video just so you guys can see what it looks like on. Who knows, maybe it'll surprise me, but I know myself and it's not really a color that I will pull for all the time. Alright, so for the eyeshadow look, I'm just going to pull from this other Tarte palette, and I'm going to take the shade right here, which is just like a really nice neutral transition shade, and just put that in the crease. I'm not going to do anything crazy today, but I'm basically just going to do something that I would wear pretty much every single day. Oh man, I just dug my finger in an eyeshadow. I personally love Tarte eyeshadows. I love a lot of Tarte's products, and if you watch my channel you would know that. So you already know I'm going to love this palette, especially with the colors that are in it, because like I said, those are colors that I wear pretty much every single day. I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger. This color right here, Escape, is like the prettiest, lightest, like shimmery champagne gold. Something that I would use a lot. So I'm going to put that on the lid. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Tap that in the inner corner too. Then I'm going to take my little teeny tiny fluffy brush and just kind of blend those together. Alright, and then just going to take like a rounded blending brush, go back into that matte shade, and I'm just going to build it up in the outer crease so that shade can kind of come back through. And then I'm just going to bring some of that matte shade on the lower lash line. Alright, then I'm going to take this color called Treasure, which is right here, and I'm going to put that underneath the brow bone and the inner corner, just because it looks really pretty. Very sparkly inner corners today. A little bit right there too. Ooh, yeah. Alright, now I'm just going to put on some eyeliner and mascara, and the eyes will be done, and I can already say that I love this palette. Super beautiful, very pigmented, and very easy to work with. Alright, let's go ahead and put this lipstick on. Alright, so this is the lipstick. It's honestly not as bad as I thought, but I still don't really think it looks that good on me. It's not terrible. I think I may keep it. It's one of those lipsticks where you feel like a different person when you put it on. You know those kind of lipsticks? That's kind of how this one is. It's a very unique color, and I think that's why I might keep it. I don't know. I'm on the fence about it. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. Yeah, it's not terrible and it feels really comfortable. Alright guys, that is it for my Boxycharm unboxing for January. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click subscribe down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!